Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Jill with not At Home with Jill. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jill with That Homeschool Life, and we are gonna do another day in life today. And it is Monday, and yes, it really feels like a Monday. We were at church really late last night. We got home at like 11. I am so tired. My kids are tired. Actually, one of them is still sleeping. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what books we're going to be reading this week because I picked some up at church to borrow. And so I'm going to show you guys the books, and then I'm probably going to go get ready for the day, and then I will make some breakfast, and hopefully by then my last little one will be awake. So anyway, I got 2 devotionals, what it means to be a Christian, devotions for boys, and what it means to be a Christian, devotions for girls. They each have 100 devotionals, so I think we're gonna start going through these. And then I got this Case for Christ for Kids by Strobel. So we have seen the movie, and I've read the book, like the adult book of this, and so I saw this one that was for kids, and I was like, we're gonna read that this week. It looks like a short, easy read. It has like pictures in it and stuff. It looks like it's a quick read. So we'll probably read that this week. Probably read all through it this week. And then I got this Martin Luther picture book. And I'll show you it a little bit. Hold on. So anyway, that's gonna be fun. We'll probably take a week also to read through this book, just because I know my kids will not sit through the whole thing at once. Well, some of my kids would, like you. What are you doing? I'm gonna make oatmeal. You gonna wait for oatmeal? Morning, sleepyhead.
Running to go get a watermelon shirt. It's a human with the animal face.
Before I start reading this, can anyone tell me anything about Martin Luther?
He's a very good Christian. My turn. So, he's a very good Christian. So, these Catholic church and stuff, were doing bad things, and then he nailed this stuff to their door and said stop doing whatever this is and stuff, I think. And then he went in and talked to them, and then they got mad at him. So his friends dressed up their army or whatever, and then took him to a hiding place to stay to hide from those guys.
Okay.
He's a very good Christian. And he goes to churches and preaches. Is he a pastor? Yeah, I think he's a pastor. Yeah, he's a pastor. Yeah, he's a pastor. He has weird hair, though.
Let's read.
Yeah.
Our loving God helps his people turn from sin and error. In the Old Testament, he sent prophets to warn them. In the New Testament, he even sent his own son, Jesus Christ, to reform and save the world. You guys remember when we watched the movie, A Case for Christ? About the atheist that his wife started going to church. Remember their daughter was choking in the restaurant? And
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Okay. Okay, so far today is just really not going well. It is really a Monday. We were up too late yesterday, and I have someone in their room, someone eating, someone mischieving, and Briella is gonna come and start doing her handwriting while I start reading our read aloud. Honest. The H is silent. Brave. They'll come here angry. They need little reason to terrorize us, Oscar sighed. This is no little thing.
Yeah, it's no little.
Blast it all, Poto said, driving his fist into the air, into the table. There's not much the Glip folk could do. Either they fight or they run. Even if they had weapons, the townsfolk wouldn't have a flabbit's chance against a regiment of fangs. They'll have to run. Very good. Good job.
At first I was like on the farm because there's a B right there. So
I mean, you mean an A.
yes, in the farm.
Good job, baby.
I'm getting better at reading.
Yeah, you are. When you read and read and read, you get better and better and better. And you love reading.
Yeah. I'm gonna read all of these.
Today you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I like reading. It's just a little hard. The farm is like my readers, but I like reading. The farm is za.
No, you know that word. You say it all the time. You read it all the time. The farm is.
The farm is on.
Sound out that word.
So.
What other sound does O make?
So. On the.
The farm.
The farm is so big.
Good job.
The farm is so big. It is. The end. No, this one. For the funny face. Mom, time for the funny face.
Aubrey, write an A.
Yeah, I got. Mama, can I skip a little pages?
No.
And the
Don't skip. Don't skip.
look, Mama, look. The seed.
Good job. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And liberty and justice for all.
We're gonna just start with the top 6 so you can memorize it. Come back. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Say it by yourself now.
3, 6, 9,
12.
12, 15, 18.
Good.
Four. What do I do? Oh, it equals 8.
4 plus 4 equals 8. Yes. Okay?
I am on the hill. Gosh, and that's the one.
The end?
2. Yeah.
How many left do you have? How many do you have left?
Oh, I'm not reading all of them today because some of them are hard for me.
Okay.
But I can pet Penny.
Why are you yelling?
Because. Well, I am the loudest girl in the world.
Okay.
So.
Try not to be the loudest girl in the world.
Yes.
No.
Yes, yes, yes. Here, I can teach you how to read. So we need to go to the first page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is a hill. 1, 2. Well, and did you have to read? So we're at that page now. The 1, 2, sun 4, 5 is up. 1, 0, 1. The sun is down. No. 2, 3, 4,
It's up.
yeah, the sun is up. There we go. Sun.
13.
No.
Don't say 1, 3. Say 13.
Sun is up. No. The sun is not up. The sun is the end. The end. Okay.
Yes. Keep going.
Read this one. Okay. We're gonna skip some pages. Oh, here.
I'm pretty sure our entire school day today is gonna be done from the couch and under this blanket because it is freezing today, and this little one is pretty freezing too. She likes to be under the blanket.
Her name's Penny. It's our dog. She's white and black. Yeah, she's white and black. Her name is Penny. Her name is Penny. Name is Penny. Yeah, her name is Penny.
Okay, so far we have done our read alouds and kind of like our morning time.
She's black.
And I've had one child complete math. Oh, we did handwriting.
And I read my books.
You did reading. Briella's done math. I think we're gonna get out language arts. So someone was ready to join our school day now. And we have no tortillas, no bread. So we're just kind of coming up with something on the fly here. I'm gonna make noodles, and we're going to put like butter and garlic and Parmesan cheese and stuff in it. Something that my kids love.
Oh, that's 9, 10.
Good. Mm-hmm. So he has 304 fence posts on his property.
Wow.
Wait, why are you erasing it all?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Do I leave it there?
Yes, you have to leave your answer there. You have to leave all your work there so I can see that you did it right. So do the next one. Try to do it by yourself while I'm cooking lunch. Let me know if you need help. Have I mentioned that today is Monday? An entire cup of water just. This one. Is that your house?
Yeah, this is my house.
Okay.
That was
Bye.
What's at the door?
Almost done with that page, and then you get to do the ruler thing?
Yeah.
Okay, no drawing in your math book. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to check your work when you're done. You don't get to do it until you're done, but you're gonna type 98 minus 48. So type 98
No, that's my baby.
minus
Here.
48.
Oh dear.
Oh, okay, so 98 Okay, it says 4 minus 6, and you wrote 2. So I think you did 6 minus 4 equals 2.
Me.
So you didn't borrow and turn this into a 14.
Oh.
Okay, so do that one again. How is it, guys?
Noodle pie.
How is it?
Good. And don't you see that it's different kinds of noodles? Look.
Do you know what this is? Can you? What is it?
Moses and the burning bush.
Yes, it is.
But the bush wasn't burning, so I don't know why
Well,
it shows no leaves and stuff.
Someone painted this and they titled it Moses and the Burning Bush. You should know all of these because your last curriculum was more advanced. So let's see.
About.
No. I'm gonna do the marking on this page. It tells me to circle the ones you have trouble with, so keep going.
Clean. Drink. Full. Hot. That's easy. Better. Cut. 8.
Go poo poo.
8.
Yes, good.
Goat.
Good.
Heart.
Good job, Cade. Oh wait, not heart and not goat.
Got.
Yes. What's UR say?
Er. Hurt.
Good.
There we go. Done. Bye.
Ask if you can be excused.
Can I be excused?
Yes. Okay, so while my kids are playing and we're taking a little break, I'm gonna go have coffee up at my parents' house. Don't think my mom's home, so it'll just be my dad. Trying not to hit my husband's quad. Oh, hi, Vetter. Hi, buddy. What's up? Can't even see him because of the shadow. Hi, Vetter. Come here, buddy. Come here, Vetter. Come here. Are you taking a nap? So my house is right there, and my parents' house is right there. It's literally right up the driveway. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go have myself some coffee, afternoon coffee, before we finish up school. Everyone leaves their bikes laying around. All right, here we go. It is freezing today. Like literally freezing. Oh, they're already coming. Wait for Aubrey. I hear her yelling to wait. Dad, where are you? Okay, well, my dad's not in here. Don't know where he is, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee. What's wrong?
Bella jumped on me.
She jumped on you?
Yeah.
That's-
And touching her butt on and trying and faking it to a fart, and then I was running away, and then he jumped off of the couch.
Aubrey,
Already like.
hold on. Everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet. You do not put your butt on people. You do, I'm talking. And you do not fart on people. Say sorry. And Briella, hug Stella until she feels better. Because I said, because you hurt her.
Can I just hug her?
You can hug her till she feels better. Cade, shut the front door. Aubrey, is it nap time? Aubrey? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna make coffee and then Aubrey's gonna take a nap.
At Grandma's house?
No, we're gonna go home.
And so let's see if the weird guy goes on it, right? Yeah. Huh?
All right, so I decided to cave and let them watch some TV while I enjoy my coffee. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this, and then we will go home and put that one down for her nap. They're watching Bluey. Do it again. Do it. Do it again.
What do you got there? The camera?
No, I've had it.
Get out of my face! Where's my cheese? Anybody see my cheese? And don't touch those apples. Yeah! Why not? What could possibly go wrong? The money? What's he kid? What does I know? I texted Mom.
If you answer me right now, we'll go to Disneyland tomorrow.
Nothing bad happened. Scoot. Scoot! Hey, who wants to take Grandma's golf cart down to the shop and get my phone for me?
Why?
I don't know.
I'll just put this here for a minute.
Yeah. What? I don't want to move. Oh, well.
Yeah.
It's a cool day. Come on.
I see you, Aubrey. You found it?
Yeah, it looks like it might work.
Let me back up. Hold on. Come here, Aubrey. Aubrey, don't spit. That's not nice.
Don't worry, he's just better than us.
Is it warm in there, girls?
Okay, ready to roll.
Hey, Janet, Ellie, Janet, Matt.
Honk, honk. Girls, time to come home. What? Oh, he's like, where is my mama? Pretend you were in the Garden of Eden and tell me a story about your day.
Okay. So, I was in the garden, and then I ran around in the grass and sang, "And good jelly man." And
Okay,
good
be
jelly."
serious now.
That's what I really do.
You have all the animals you could ever think of in there,
Yeah.
and none of them are predators.
And I would do this, ride on a
You would ride on a dinosaur? Okay. Now you're gonna draw a picture of your story here. Be sure to draw some things that show what you did in the garden and write a sentence on the next page about your story. So right now you're gonna draw a picture of your story. Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
And like ask him questions and stuff. Cute dinosaur.
Are you sure you're taking your school seriously? What are those?
Those are his arms.
Oh, has a shirt on.
But you didn't draw yourself writing it. Forgot?
To me.
Your story was about riding the dinosaurs. Oh well, it's okay. So my kids are doing their 20 minutes of reading.
Like that, right? Yeah.
Briella, read. Oh, cute.
Those are apples, and it's in the Garden of Eden. That's me, and I'm like, there's a fruit tree over there, and the dinosaur's going to eat it because it's in the Garden of Eden.
Cute. So I was just on my computer designing this little reading chart. Hold on, it's kind of bright. So Monday through Friday, and once they complete 20 minutes of silent reading, they're gonna get a check mark, and at the end of every week, if they did their reading every single day, they're gonna earn a little prize. And obviously the 2-year-old doesn't read yet, but I put her on here so that I won't have to make a new chart when she does start reading. So I'm just gonna be leaving hers blank until she starts kindergarten or whatever. But yeah. So Briella just has to read to me for 20 minutes. These two have done like math and language arts and everything. And my little kindergartner, since it's already 4 o'clock and today was just crazy and not our normal day, it was totally a Monday and did not go as planned. I'm gonna let Stella get away with not doing language arts or math today, but she did read all her little mini books. So
Not all of them because
nice.
not all of them because some of them are hard.
I know, but you read a bunch. And then so yeah, we're gonna
We have to. We're gonna watch a movie.
we're gonna call it a day on school. So I'm gonna put a movie on now.
Yeah, we're gonna get a surprise.
No, not today. That's at the end of the week when you read all week long. Okay, so I'm gonna put a movie on now and cuddle up and actually I'm probably gonna put a movie on and kind of clean up a little bit. I have dinner in the crock pot and then I will cuddle up after I get some of these rooms cleaned up a bit. Okay, bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching our day in the life. Subscribe. We love you. Let's thumbs up.
Okay guys, thanks for watching our day in the life today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, I can't believe it's 4 o'clock and we just finished school, but, oh, where are you going? But I am excited to relax for the rest of the day now, and I am so glad that I put dinner in the crock pot earlier so that I don't have to do it right now. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys!
need somebody else, no matter how hard you try.
Pete in the bench. Hi.
Good morning, cool cats and